Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your voice-over speech pronunciations on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, we want to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we tap on VoiceOver. Next, we're going to tap on Speech, and then we're going to tap on Pronunciation. So pronunciations, tap on that, and we're going to tap on the plus button, and then we're going to put in the phrase that we want to use. So let's say back here. So we're going to use the word back. So I'm going to put in back. So whenever your phone see the word back, it will pronounce with a substitution. So I say go back, and then you can test it out by tapping on the play button.
Go back.
And then I'm going to tap on back. Now I'm going to turn on VoiceOver, and then we can test it out. Hi Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, I turned VoiceOver on.
Okay, so now VoiceOver is switched on. We're going to go into the settings. I'm just going to try to get rid of this.
VoiceOver off.
Okay. Hi Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now on.
Okay, seems like Siri is just going to stay active like that. Hi Siri, go away. Okay, just wanting to stay there. I'm going to
Outdoor.
I don't know what you mean by.
So, hi Siri, close yourself.
Until we talk again.
So it's just going to stay there. Okay, if I press on the side button,
Speech. Go back button.
that will close Siri. Okay, now if we go into here,
Back. Go back. Select.
remember
Pronunciations. Go back button.
if I'm going to tap on the back button, it should say go back. So let's have a listen.
Pronunciations. Go back button.
So it's a pronunciation. So it's telling us that this word has been replaced with a substitution. With the substitution go back. So you can see here, instead of saying back, it says go back.
Pronunciations. Go back button.
And that's it. So that's how you can add in or replace the pronunciation with your voiceover. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen.
Actions available. FaceTime.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.